Thank you for watching. Please be kind and subscribe for more great videos. Let us know in comments on your favorite park and rides.
Dentro del taxi, imaginen a esos pequeños monstruos. Que disfruten de su viaje.
Hello! If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog. It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokesy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
It was wonderful. This human child froze me with his telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me.
Get me home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. Spread out and lock it down. All units, here's the girl we're looking for. Affirmative on the negative, number one.
Why? Hey, working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting yet. We're happy.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there,
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Still go? Oh, no.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, Boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Spread out and lock it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly remedied situation status to minor damage. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here.
Thank you for watching. Please be kind and subscribe for more great videos. Let us know in comments on your favorite park and rides.